Remember when you were a kid and your teacher told you you'd have to remember all these basic maths functions because you're not going to have a calculator on you at all time? Then smartphones became a thing? Awkward. Hey everyone, my name is Andy and welcome to the 10-minute code challenge. In this video, I've got 10 minutes to build a working calculator in JavaScript. Now, it's only going to be a basic one because I only have 10 minutes. Calculators are a great way of learning some of the fundamentals of JavaScript, and they look good on your portfolio too. So I've got 10 minutes to build my own. Let's make awesome. Just going to start by adding a script tag and a style tag, just so I can get this going as we need to. Now, how am I going to do these? We'll give them a class of button and give an ID of 1 and the value of 1. Okay, so we need to duplicate this a bunch of times because there are more than one button on a calculator. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 10. Now I need another one, but this one I'm going to give an extra name of an operator. Add 1, 2, 3, 4 minus times. Make it an X. Just looks a bit nicer, I think. Sub Tim div. I need 2 more. Okay, so like I see how that is. That looks awful, which is what I expect. Just need to do a little bit of refactoring here because when you use a calculator, the buttons start at the bottom. I'm looking at my keyboard here, and it's like 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to replicate that here. And on top of that, I think, yeah, if I reorganize the bottom row, and then after each row, add another operator. Okay, see how that looks. It looks awful, which I expect. About 3 minutes in. So I'm going to get a display of flex width 50%. And then we've got our display block width 100%. And then we have our buttons. One display of flex width, so 25% because there are 4 of them. Margin, no, I don't want margin. I want a border of 1px solid black. I'll put a border on the display, but I'll make it red and I'll make it a bit thicker. Yeah, that looks alright. So what I want to do on here is flex wrap to wrap. It's looking better already. Oh, I see what's going on here. So box sizing, border box. That's better. text align everything center, but this one I will align to the right. You know, a nice aspect ratio of 2:1. Yeah, that's all right. That'll do. I've only got a few minutes, so I don't want to spend too much time messing around with the styles. So, need to add a couple of variables here. So we've got let first num equals null, let second num equals null, let result equal null, let operator equal null. So now I'm going to loop through all the buttons to see if they've been pressed, because everything on here is a button. So document.query select all button dot for each as button, and on button dot on click the first thing I'll do is if the button.id is C, and was it lowercase c or a capital C for that? It was a lowercase c. Then we're going to reset all of this. And we're going to have our, oh, I haven't grabbed the display yet, okay. Const display equals document.get element by ID display. And then we want our display.inner text to be 0. But we want that to be like that anyway, so I'm just going to add it here. There we go. Just add a bit of padding to this. That's better. Okay. So display.inner text plus equals button.id. So any of these, awesome, that's what we want. Just going to add a pointer. Just looks a bit nicer, I think. It's just easy to work with. Okay, I have 2 minutes to finish this, and I think I'm going to make it. Tell you what, we'll do a, because I've got the operator, so operator equals button.id. If button.classlist.contains operator, then we want that. If operator equals add, then result equals first num plus second num. Just loop through that. Plus, minus, divide, times 1.5 minutes left. Sub div Tim. Then display.inner text equals result return. But I expect, because I haven't actually given the first number anything yet, if first num equals null, then first num equals display.inner text. Display.inner text equals 0. I don't want it to do anything just yet. Otherwise, first num equals no. second num is display.innerText. Okay, so 1 plus 2. That's not right. Oh, I need to pass these as int. I don't think I'm going to make it. I've got 7 seconds left. One plus no. Yeah. Out of time. Never mind. I got most of it done. You can't win them all. That's the thing with these coding challenges. Some you win, some you lose. When the pressure's on, you make mistakes. Things don't always go according to plan. There is a fantastic tutorial on how to build a really good calculator on FreeCodeCamp. So I will link that in the description. Hopefully you'll be able to create a better calculator than I can in 10 minutes or less. So how would you have done this? Would you have done it any differently? Would you have done it better? Leave a comment down below, and I'd love to hear how you guys would have built it if you had 10 minutes to do what I do. If you enjoyed watching me fail at this code challenge, hit the like and subscribe, and check out this video where you can see me attempt to build Simon Says. See you next time.